if you're having trouble getting to the battery compartment of the Discovery 5, this is a little catch that sits in there. You slide it. It's going to be slid forward when it's locked in. You slide it back. So you have to get your hand up in here, slide it back. Then you have to slide it to lock it back in place again. I thought there was a different. No. That's it. So that's caused some confusion with people. Push it back in place. Hold it in tight. Ah, crap. Okay, there you go. Everything. Ow. I wish somebody figured out a better way to do this damn thing. Because it really is freaking annoying.
That's it. And then lock.
That's it. Please make sure everything's locked down. Because we have a little one that sits back here. It likes to dig your nose and stuff. Big antenna.